there is always a possibility disciple can have self-doubt. Maybe my ignorance is being exploited. Maybe because I am ignorant, he is not only just teaching me, he is constantly pulling me down, putting me down. Understand, presence of ignorance is always painful. Pain is the method. Pain is the method to measure the presence of ignorance. Understand? Pain proves the presence of ignorance. Ignorance always will be causing pain. Please understand, make this as a scale. Anything does not cause pain is not ignorance. Anything ignorance will cause pain. Will cause pain. Understand? When you are sitting with so much of pus, wounds, internally, externally, even if master tells you, please apply the medicine, you will feel hurt. See, he is pointing my wounds. He is all the time thinking about my wounds. Understand? My job is the most difficult job, I tell you. I have to cut your ego without you feeling the pain. First thing, I have to make you understand which part of you is tumor and which part of you is muscle. Many times you associate your tumors as your muscle and tell me, hey, don't touch that part. No, that is me. Don't touch, don't touch. But you go on telling, please Swamiji, do whatever you want. Please Swamiji, whatever you have to do. I have surrendered myself completely. Holding on to the tumor with both hands and both legs. Swamiji, you do whatever need to be done, Swamiji. I have completely surrendered myself to you, Swamiji. Please remove the tumors as early as possible, Swamiji. I am your disciple for last 4 years. Still you have not made me enlightened, Swamiji. What is this, Swamiji? You are wasting my time. What is this, Swamiji? I am not yet enlightened. Please, you make me enlightened, Swamiji. And I have surrendered myself to you completely, Swamiji. To make you understand what is tumor, what is your muscle, is the biggest job. Understand, arrogance remembers the pain caused by others, not the benefits. Arrogance never lets you remember the benefits caused by the Guru. Only it remembers pain you created using the name of the Guru. The teacher's job is the most difficult job. Teacher's job is the most difficult job. He has to constantly deal with your conflicts, controversies, confusions. Morning you will say, please do what needs to be done and give me enlightenment. Evening you will come and say, I am giving up. I don't think either you are capable or I am capable of standing, living with you. And then again next day morning you come and tell, no, Swamiji, I have decided to surrender. Please awaken me, help me to become enlightened. Which one should I believe? So naturally I wait. When I wait, again I get blamed for that. So long I am here under your feet. Still I have not become enlightened. Arey, tell me, you have been under my feet, whether surrendering or to pull my feet. More number of times people have pulled this leg than the number of times they worshipped. That is why I sit down and teach.